Okay, this is a quick video about how to solve square root equations. So in this case we have two square roots, and to cancel the square root what we need is to raise to the second power. So we raise both sides to the second power, we simplify the root with this exponent, and then what we have in the next step is just 4x plus 2 is equal 8x. Then we solve the normal equation. This 4x was here minus 4x, so that will be 2 is equal 4x, because 8x minus 4x is 4x, and then 4 multiplying x goes down dividing, so it will be 2 over 4, which is 1/2. So 1/2 is equal to x. Let's try the other one. In the other one here, what we do is we first move the 21. So 21 here is adding, so what we do is we pass to the other side subtracting. So this 21 positive will be minus 21 on the other side. 36 minus 21 is 15. Now we have 15x inside of the root equals 15. So the next step is we square both sides. Okay, so we square here, so this 2 I cancel with the root, so 15x is equal to 225. So then I simplify, divided by 15, x equal 15. That's the answer. Okay, hope this video helped you. Have a great day.